give to you my praise. Waiting I go give to you my praise. Waiting I go give to you. Let's go. Oh, yeah, yeah, Moza. You can only
over this country, no joke. I don't find smart. Eh? Now the high remain now. This my high no go put me for problem. If I go market at the price pepper and fish they sell for me. Oh, go. If I go there, they greet, good evening. How much is your pepper? They tell me once a day, that they shout. For what? They say, God, no shout. We face say now wait till you they look, you the price. We don't say now where you face. You face pepper, your eye they look fish inside. Who they stone down money since I beg, I get family problem. If I talk with it, tickle your fancy, just spray something. Now, people they talk about Buhari since. I just sit down there, they watch. This country, no work for this country again, no. Not let anybody deceive you, no work. Somebody for Lagos where they find work for Jonathan regime. He not see work. Now Buhari regime here for take us see work. They employ the guy for a papa 8 a.m. for money. They sack the guy the same money, 8:49. Oh God. This country, the way this country they go now, I fear when my pastor they shout. Today! I don't know why Nigeria's pastors they like shout. Look at your neighbor and say, today, something will happen. Now all of us they shout, today. One mama holla for back, pastor, something will happen. Pastor say, yes, what was that? Say, my phone don't lost. Oh, but this country, hey, not be joke. I love men of God that they talk by faith. What they told us for this Benin? Say, make sure you are standing 2 by 2. One person pair with another. Hold your problem by faith. All of us will show you like this. Say, make sure you are facing somebody. Hold your problem. We hold problem. Say, now take your problem outside and throw it away. See where people, 2 people are hold my problem. I threw it away by faith. 2 upper boys, John Royeta church, carry all 3 boys, they go. Pastor say, oh, man, I bring that problem. The church see that problem never do anything. But drop it now. Now, if you dey celebrate any event, please, I beg you in the name of God, for this regime now, make sure say your security is tight. If not, you go feed half of the country. I love Lagos. No work on Lagos now. You dey do party. Who you invite, who you not invite, everybody they come, shop rice. Yoruba men go shop like 4 plates, don't see the lie, say they never shop. All year go rub the beer, don't see the shop. Mami, lata Romeo Tijan, they come say, Bessie, oh yes, na person call use and do me raw. A person go eat and man finish, go use the hand, rub your beer raw. But Benin, oh, I love Benin with passion. All about talk by him. According to the soccer, listen to me. Now, what women, they come your party for Benin, they call shop. They don't know what they do. And for the Benin, I told go MC one wedding. Everything where they share, 918 they shop. They just say, put a small tobacco. Now, for Lagos, they call us no. For Benin, yeah, they call that tobacco, now mat that they put up. They share fried rice and chicken. See where they chat, they call the usher. They bring a mama collected 4 plates. Drink water, cut a wrapper, we call do I think say mama don't believe. I don't know say na appetizer. What fear now where they call the chef banga superstars. Mama stand on top, they call the girl. I say, Mama, you go for it. Say, God, they walk out.
I go give to you my praise. Waiting I go give to you my praise. Waiting I go give to you.
Let them allow. Mama don't shop. She don't know where she use akpu to the shop salad. If say na egusi soup, oh, listen, mama they complain say egusi soup now. I say yeah, egusi soup. Now rice that they use. He said, shut up your mouth. You know since well that the shop white egusi soup. Oh yeah, nothing. Oh, listen. Benin my light drink. Oh, he husband that was all day. They drink wine, drink beer, drink spirit, drink vodka. Now they come MC Lare juice now. I understand the. When I look what he part they call juice now money fresh. He don't drink 2 bottles. I mean they tell us say yeah, na hospital they see now soap they drink so. Oh walk. DJ, I beg I not get time. He get somebody where I recall wash. Now the person and one washer, the stalker. We they say with the craze, but for where the stalker there were craze they lay. The stalker, you know say Edo Pikin they talk about it just now. You remember what Teriji do for Lagos? Teriji go smoke Igbo for beach. They invite her for show. He forgets his name. Teriji call at her stage. Because say, Handy Bunch! Feel like, he manager they tell her, Terry, you know be the bunch. He say, Teriji forgets his song. He begins sing Zulezu. We don't repass music. Mommy, yo, mommy. What he pay me? Manager tell her no be and he back see audience yo. Teriji back audience. He face water for beach. Say put your hands up. He manager they tell her Teriji you back the people. Say tell them they come my front. Oh boy, you don't see. Now ma drop this one then I come out. Ma drop this one. Ma come out. Now Igbo people they do this. Igbo kwenu. Kwenu. All the people they say, oh, what Igbo man do me for Lagos? When only go Lagos, why go when wise open mic as I finish the competition? Why give me small money now? Say I go buy generator because that I light not the 2 day Lagos. Martin manage myself. That I better pass my neighbor. Now go do. I don't know say for market for Lagos. It get some people that they get big belly. Not be they get shop. Doctor say they get 4 shop. And they not get one. Then they call the Oswahia. They feel like say, I'm the owner of the 4 shop. They go to send owner of the shop message. You know go know. So now yem share that. So as I they talk now go say make a na Yamaha in my mind. I tell the guy say I won't buy Yamaha. I say follow me. Now we enter one shop. They open now. I call the look. I call the see say na Yamaha. And Amaka, I said, bros, like, I said, nah, this is the senior brother of a Yamaha. They just do this one, brand new one, Yamaha. I said, Yamaha. I not see they convinced. That the man, he knows, say, he don't know it's in my mind. Now, so now, don't look at it like this. So, this generator you are seeing here can carry another generator. I say, my brother, now transformer. This one go carry another gen. Okay, how much? Because the guy don't to talk. Now, tell me, say, now, 6.5. That time. Can't 6,005, give her. Carry go house. I never own them. I don't they call my friends. Hello, Sheila. Oh, but I don't have my God pour the devil. I don't buy this in a Yamaha. No, not the Tiger, Yamaha, new model. Now maybe the first set of people will buy them. By the time they go bring the 6 lights, when I go on that, I mean, if I don't hear the noise of this engine where they take the Grand Carry, the cassava. Now, so that's motion they make. As they make the vibration grand, they shake. We make all the shout. This worry boy, you the grand carry for this company and say, madam, mind your business. Once he say, the jet they make noise, now we light there the owner. If I look like they're gonna. Don't say light, don't say live, and I mean buy fuel. This stop. As the jet they make that vibration, I don't say the thing they move. I feel just a wash match, the thing go trip off. Don't say for I say no, I just turn fuel. Before I come outside, the jet don't track, reach my neighbor, get I say, hey. Here the jet the track they go. You want put here just now, just the walk out the full passage run. go. Listen, worry not the carry last, so area. Now go buy long cable wire put for the jet. You like you try go anywhere, the wire long way. It not go disconnect. Because say the wire long, the generator just track. Lost one day for area. I begin find generator like how they find small picking. Find some like they bros good evening. They say about now see small yellow shirt. They say small one. Now see small name pass go. Now this side they follow. So the position. I read some blood. I think good evening. They say, "I bet you have me 6 months. Small one said, it's just past here now. Follow before a crossroad." Listen, this country. Oh, now my friend, what they sell for Total Filling Station, I come me what they hello. Bob, where you there? I said that was the wash match. He said, "Idiot, your jet they pass a filling station from now." I said, "Okay, carry a mail self for put 200. Oh yeah, 18." I said, "My brother never close." I said, "No worry, the generator, no road, just sell the 4 put." Ladies and gentlemen, another show. Now go hear the next joke. The continuity. My name is Bob. I love you guys.
Not gonna give to you, my friend.